So there you have it. Straight from his Instagram, RJ Hampshire. Well, there's a bike, or well, technically not his bike, but a loaner bike with his number on it, the 450 ride, saying, quote, "Thanks for the loaner, Malcolm Stewart." So, apparently he's going to be racing Supercross now, or 450 Supercross, or I don't know if this is a practice thing and he'll be racing outdoors. Who knows? Basically, this is just giving Jet Lawrence the 250 West title. The only other person he has is McAdoo, and who knows? But I mean, it's big news for Hampshire to get a fill-in ride for the 450 guys, because that's obviously where you want to go. And maybe he shows some speed and he gets a ride with somebody else this year. But in the comments below, you tell me, how well do you think he's going to do? Right up there with his teammate Craig in 14th, 15th, 12th, somewhere around there, top 10, whatever it is. Tell me how you think he's going to do. Personally, I don't think it's probably a great move, because who knows? But we'll see how it happens. But again, comment down below. Tell me what you think. How well is he going to do? Is he going to look good on the bike, or it's just something they had another bike, so they might as well throw him on it? And whatever it is, as you're going down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because obviously it helps me playing the YouTube algorithm game. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.